deepfakes, says Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. Government ready to hold peace talks with HNLC leaders anywhere outside Meghalaya, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Traditional pomp, gaiety marks Seng Kut Snem celebrations. National People's Party proposes names for Lok Sabha polls. And Khasi Students' Union marks 1-year anniversary of Mukroh firing incident. And now the news in detail. The centre will soon come out with a new set of regulations to deal with deepfakes as it poses new threats to democracy and society. Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnaw, addressing media in New Delhi, said that there is a need to take urgent steps to tackle deepfakes, strengthen trust in our society and bring democracy. Vaishnaw said that he held a meeting with all social media platforms and the company leaders in artificial intelligence, tools and experts on the challenges emerging out of deepfakes. Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home Department Preston Tinsong, said the centre and state governments are ready to hold the peace talks with the leaders of prescribed Hinyothrap National Liberation Council anywhere outside Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters yesterday, Tinsong requested the top leaders of the HNLC not to have any kind of apprehension and not to have any doubt because the government, be it centre or the state, is sincere enough to hold peace talks. The outfit's chairman cum Commander-in-Chief Bobby Marwin and General Secretary cum Publicity Secretary Seng Kut Snem had recently expressed their inability to participate in the discussion till the government is ready to drop all pending cases against them and to sign a ceasefire agreement.
Why are you having that apprehension? So I would request the top leaders of the HNLC, don't have any kind of apprehension, don't have any doubt. We are sincere from the government, be it state and be it central government, number one. And number two, if you feel that it is not safe for talking here within Meghalaya, we are ready even to talk anywhere. Central government and state government are ready to talk anywhere. If you want to have a talk maybe somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere in other states, we are ready for that. So my request to the top leaders of HNLC is very, very clear. The door is still open and we would request to them to kindly come back for talk, and we are ready to talk across the table.
Prayers marked the beginning of Seng Kut Snem, followed by a procession from the Ying Seng at Mukroh till Waking Ground in Jayao here. This day marks the beginning of a movement, an awakening of the Khasi community to preserve the existing and unique traditions, and every year the Seng Khasi commemorates November 23rd as Seng Kut Snem. It was on this day in 1899, 16 young Khasi men formed an indigenous faith-based organization called the Seng Khasi with the objective to protect the indigenous beliefs and culture of the Khasis from cultural and societal oppression. Paem Balajit Singh CM, CM of Hima Khairim, Paem Aina Manik CM, CM of Hima Millem, HS Thank You, Judge High Court of Meghalaya, CEM KHAD CP Nyait Singh CM attended the celebration. The NPP Election Committee yesterday proposed 2 names for the 2 parliamentary seats in Meghalaya. NPP Meghalaya President Preston Tinsong said the 6-member party's election committee sat on Wednesday to discuss candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The committee proposed names of candidates for both Tura and Shillong seats. Tinsong further said that by Saturday, the national president of NPP, Conrad K. Sangma, is likely to give his nod to the proposed names. The party is expected to declare the candidate list by the end of this week.
Ya katang melaban len kibar bapan tiket ke Burma tenai rap kadu ngopi namang nila syong da state election authority kabala thung da national president nila dep syong committee nila steady na rajong na ta kini kisngi ki por ke bala lek no ru nila ya le lagi homework ke jomi haga consultation hadu ki grassroots level hagi district ki ba pair hagi block ki ba pair they ultimately come off e mentasa tang kenyet teligis ngi hakaba ngangai scam u national president unsa ay ka approval da kamunta kini ki atli ki constituency MP hakaba kinyang ya ka election kawen tura pat kawen shlo.
The Khasi Students' Union yesterday organized a poster campaign in honor of the 5 people slain in the Mukroh incident to mark the 1-year anniversary of Mukroh tragedy. It may be mentioned that recently, during the CM-level border talks, the government of Assam and Meghalaya decided to hand over the investigation of the Mukroh firing incident to the CBI. The Mukroh shooting incident occurred on November 22, 2022, where 6 people were killed, 5 from Meghalaya and 1 forest guard from Assam. Nongpo MLA Miralborn CM yesterday informed that the state government is in talks with the Regional Committee of Assam for fixing a date for second phase of border talks, which was put on hold due to the festive season. He said that the chairman of the Regional Committee, Preston Tinsong, and his Assam counterpart soon will meet for talks on the remaining areas of differences under the second phase of border talks.
The state government is in the process to fix a date with our counterpart, Regional Committee of Assam, because festive season is just over, Puja, Diwali and all in Assam. From our side, we have no issue. So the Honorable Chairman of the committee, our Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Song, is already in touch with the counterpart to fix the date for the remaining area of difference in phase 2 to be discussed. That is Bordoa, Nongwa, Mautamur, Desdomria and Block 2 in Ribhoi district. So we'll hope very soon the chairman will coordinate with the counterpart to fix the date so that we can move on with this issue.
Kasinjuk Kirangbashnong Ribhoi district met with the Minister in charge of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Amperin Lingdo, yesterday to address pressing issues regarding medical infrastructure. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Secretary of Sinjuk Kirangbashnong Ribhoi district, P.B. Silyang, informed that the organization highlighted the community's concerns and emphasizing the need for improved healthcare facilities and pressing for the need of upgradation of hospital infrastructure. He also informed that the health minister and assured them of concrete action. Sinjuk Kirangbashnong Ribhoi district also brought to the forefront the pressing need for the upgradation of sub-centers and primary health centers in the district.
Very glad to meet the Minister in charge, Dr. Amperin Lingdo, regarding the infrastructure of these 50 beds which they have established in Parila Snem. So from the minister in charge, she have taken the concern that she will call the meeting on the 1st of December at Nongpo, the district, regarding to discuss the function of this hospital at Parila Snem. And the second point that we have discussed today with the minister is regarding this establishment or an upgradation of sub-center and PHC. We are in need that the PHC and sub-center in Ribhoi district to upgrade because the population ratio of the people in our Ribhoi district have grown up from day to day. So from the minister in charge of Health and Family Affairs, she had taken initiative regarding this matter. So we hope that on the 1st of December, we will discuss thoroughly regarding this issue.
Nongpo MLA Miralborn CM has denied the existence of illegal toll gates along the highway in Ribhoi district, stating that they have been removed. Briefing media persons yesterday, CM also informed that toll gates on state and village roads are under the provision of district council or other government departments, wherein they collect a certain toll fee and according to him must be under the purview of law.
Comes to highway, this is a big concern about truck transportation, those who are carrying goods towards our state, be it outside the state. This is a transit state. automatically it will lead to the price rise and all. Transporter, they have to pay lots of tax along the highway. This is not only in Rivoy, along the highway. So, which is illegal, and I'm of the opinion that this thing should not happen. I'm very much against illegal toll gate, especially on the highway and even on the state road also. Only those mandated as per the law, and that is no issue for check gate.
The District Horticulture Office in West Jaintia Hills District, Jowai, yesterday organized a horticulture exhibition at Marian Hill Football Ground under the MIDH scheme. Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla attended the program as the chief guest. In his address, Shilla urged the farmers to focus on a specific activity that suited their skills and could contribute to expanding their agricultural production. The objective of the exhibition was to promote farmers in their respective fields, encourage the exchange of ideas among farmers, and foster a sense of competition. The exhibition showcased various crops grown in the region.
Wow, ye pi tu em ni hini ujit pi ye kata ka bentai kata ka kawan I thao I yong pi I wa ye to uthung nei ba sna tho pi em la ka jong I thao ye pi uthung hai jo I thao wa ro jat ki jing thung ye pi ri wa ro jat jing ri hai jo I thao nei ba em kam pi up ka mon jat ke climate ka mon jat ke khandau ni ki nutrient go em ki ka sbo go em kam pi bon jat nei te dau em kam utho pania nei te dau nei liang yong sarkar I pellut I bo I ya kini ki department you fair ya horticulture.
Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur has announced that the first edition of the Khelo India Para Games will be held from 10th to 17th December in New Delhi. He said that over 1,350 participants from across the country will participate in 7 disciplines of the sport. In a social media post, Thakur expressed confidence that the Games are going to be a game changer in our quest to improve para sports in the country and in identifying and aiding talented, specially abled athletes. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature stands at 20.8 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature stands at 10.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 70% and the relative humidity in the evening was 69%. The forecast states that dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely to occur at isolated places. Before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Government to come up with new set of regulations soon to counter deepfakes, says Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. Government ready to hold peace talks with HNLC leaders anywhere outside Meghalaya, says Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong. Traditional pomp gaiety marks Seng Kut Snem celebrations. National People's Party proposes names for Lok Sabha polls. And Khasi Students' Union marks 1-year anniversary of Mukroh firing incident. With that, we've come to the end of the news bulletin. Until next time, good night.